Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Coinbase's API. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Coinbase's API, then this video is going to show you how to do that. It's going to be a really quick one, just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the developers tab, and there you're going to click on API, and then you're going to create an API key. Next, you're going to use the API's key to access Coinbase's API, and then you can develop your application using Coinbase's API. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Coinbase's API. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.